great reveal. Ooh. Ooh. Get that money shot. Oh. Now for the thumbnail. Alright, I'm getting ready to put the engine back in the car now. I finished the timing kit last night and got the engine all buttoned up. So I'm just going to bring it out, give it a quick wash, and then when my housemate gets back, I'm going to get him to help me put the engine in the car. I think I've got some corrupted videos, so I did modify the engine mounts by filling up the gaps with some polyurethane filler. There were gaps and things in between, and I always see these engine mounts failing, so I've reinforced them and painted them black. You just fill up the gaps with polyurethane silicone or caulking, whatever you want to call it. Smooth it over with some water on your finger and then paint it black. So the engine mounts are ready to go. And all that's left is to get the engine on the crane and the engine back in the engine bay. That's what I mean about the engine mounts always failing. So this is the reinforcement. Alright, this is Matt, he's my helper.
Hang on guys. Engine transplant into engine bay.
You know, when I see a car like this, first thing I do is I say, would you look at this?
Would you just look at it?
Let's chuck her in. These slot wheels have never looked better. Fucking Daniel lost one.
Did he?
Apparently.
What?
Well, apparently, okay, so he left the coilovers, I think, and because it had a puncture and the wheel on the nature strip for Jules to pick up, and then when Jules got there, the wheel wasn't there.
No.
So I think someone just took the wheel.
What the fuck?
What the fuck am I gonna do with 3 wheels? I'm thinking of rolling like 2 on one side and then another 2 different wheels on the other side, see if I can find like someone selling 2 or 3 wheels.
Yeah.
I
think a lot of things, to be honest.
You do think a lot.
I don't know what ones are good ideas yet.
Mounted. 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 It's mounted.
Bucket of bolts.
That's got to be it.
But that's not it.
A bucket of bolts.
That's got to be it.
Take two.
Oh yeah.
That's it, man. Nice.
We're in. All right.
Engine time for lunch.
Time for lunch.
Let's get it ready. We already visited the Colonel this morning.
Okay. Oh, there it goes.
Oh, daddy. Great reveal. Ooh. Ooh. Get that money shot.
Oh. Now for the thumbnail. Sick one. Thanks, mate.
It's alright.
Thanks for the help.
Now I am.
So what's on from here?
So what's next, mate, you ask? We got to tighten up the engine mounts, exhaust back on, wiring, fuel lines, coolant lines, alternator belts, distributor's got to go back in, air conditioning pump's got to go back on. It's all happening, and then it's airbox and radiator, and then we're done. Cue the time lapse.
How's that for a bloody kickoff, mate?
Alright, let's leave that recording.
Mickey.
Oh, first clip. Yes! Like a hot knife through hot butter.
That's like a old knife through frozen butter.
Put the place up. Put my face up. Why you doing all that? Thought you was my wife, but you slapped me in the back.
So, if everything works out, that should be it there.
Yeah, you gotta give it a dot.
The pop, the